Hello guys, welcome to watch Chipo again. My name is Hakim. So today I will do some unboxing video. So I just got this package from my workplace at the security guard. So let's go back to my room first, and then let's do the unboxing video for this particular package. Okay, into my room right now, or should I say my office room right now. So let's open this package and have some first impression about what inside in this package. Simple packaging, no box at all. So you can see the brand here, Scamain. Keep this knife again to make sure safety. So let's open this packet, this plastic first, and have a look. So I bought this watch around how much? Around $20, something like that. So not so expensive, and it's feel cheap, but I think I'm okay with it. It's look good. So let's peel some sticker here. Now it seems very gorgeous. And more sticker there. Yes, Kami tag here only, no packaging at all. There are a variant of that we got packaging, but for this type of watch, I think no need packaging. It's just a cheap watch. And lastly, the plastic here. Where to open it? Yes, open. Okay, again this watch. So not bad, I think. Yes, it's Kami's chronograph. Oh, surprisingly, is some kind smooth tick there. Not bad at all. Very slow sweeping there. I will do a full review later after I've tested this watch. So that's it for today. My first impression is it is not a very expensive watch, so I think not so superb in quality. I feel the cheapness of this watch, but I think it's still okay. So I will make a review again for this watch later. Okay, thank you very much. Ciao.